Students, we have done two questions till now. Now let us do third question. थर्ड क्वेश्चन पहले दो क्वेश्चन से थोड़ा सा अलग है. इस क्वेश्चन में साइन ऑफ एंगल ए की वैल्यू गिवन है 3/4 और हमको निकालना है cos ए और tan ए की वैल्यू. अब we know that sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse and cos A is base upon hypotenuse, and in order to find the value of cos A we must have the value of base. Now let us start finding out the value of base. Sin A is given 3/4. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse 3/4. So since the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse is 3/4, therefore let us take perpendicular is equal to 3k and hypotenuse is equal to 4k. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, the value of base is equal to square root of h square minus p square is equal to 4k square minus 3k square is equal to 16k square minus 9k square. And 16 minus 9 is 7k square. So the value of base is equal to root 7 into root k square is equal to root 7k. Now we have the values of perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. So let us find cos A. Cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is root 7k and the hypotenuse is 4k. k से k कट गया is equal to root 7/4. इसके बाद अब वैल्यू निकालते हैं tan A की. Tan A is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 3k and base is root 7k. k से k कट गया, this is equal to 3/root 7. So in this question, with the help of given ratio, we have assumed the values of perpendicular and hypotenuse, and with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we have find the value of base. In this way, we know what is the value of perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. After that, again, I would like to emphasize on this. If we have the measurement of all three sides of a triangle, then we can find any of these 6 trigonometric ratio. As we know what are perpendicular, hypotenuse and base, so we have easily calculated the value of cos A and tan A. So students, tomorrow we will do some more questions, and the work for you is always revise the previous work, regularly do today's work. All the best.